I welcome you, great people, to Eureka Channel, A Moment with Rukwaru. I am Mutia Rukwaru, your family therapist and a relationship coach. I hope you have enjoyed part 1 and part 2. And now, I welcome you to part 3, which will be the final part in this series of the type of husbands and their intimacy level in regard to their wives. Now, there is the Mr. Insecure. Mr. Insecure is self-conscious about his body or performance. Insecurity makes him avoid intimate situations. He is embarrassed. He is not comfortable with his body. He always apologizes. He feels his body shape is something to be sympathetic. He feels he has low self-esteem compared to other people. He feels undecided and inadequate. And as a result, he withdraws from his wife and finds excuses to avoid being intimate with her because of the way he takes himself to be. He feels that he is not comfortable, he is a poor performer, his body shape is poor. So he doesn't want to come close to the wife and is always giving excuses lest he end up being a failure. The other type of husband is the settled spouse. The settled spouse, after many years, the thrill is gone. You have been married for 40 to 50 years. The spark is no longer alive. You are satisfied with the status quo. There is no need to be close to that person. You have become used to the other person. You have become complacent. There is no longer any fun, and you are not interested. This is the settled spouse who feel that there is no need to add this spark to their life. They have seen it all and they are not interested. They have just few years remaining in this life. Then there is the perfectionist. Perfectionist type of a husband. This type is consumed with the idea of performance and they fear they won't measure to the demand of the wife. So they feel there is a lot of pressure. And what is causing this pressure? This pressure is because he feels there is certain standards and he is afraid to fail. He is afraid to fail to satisfy his wife. So why does he have to try something which he knows is going to fail? So what does he do? He keeps distance and he doesn't want to have anything to do with the wife. So intimacy life is affected. And finally, there is the medical issue guy. Now with this one, the situation is physical, is not psychological. What is the problem with this guy? His health is a problem. He may be diabetic, he may be having he may be having blood pressure, he may also be taking drugs which have got side effect, and all these, they affect his libido, and it's not that he doesn't want to become intimate with the wife, but the main reason is medical. And so these are things which spouses have to understand. You have to understand what is making your husband behave the way he is behaving, so that you have some interventions so that you can restore your life of intimacy. Thank you very much for listening to me. I value you. I would encourage those who have not subscribed to A Moment with Rukwaru to do so if family issues and personality issues is something which you desire. Thank you very much. I value you. And for those who have subscribed to my channel, you are great and I value you. Thank you. Have a great day. Thank you.